You look at a slinky and think, it's just a curled up pile of scrap metal, right? Be honest, it looks like something left behind after a mechanic cleans out a workshop. No batteries, no chips, no Bluetooth. Yet place it on the edge of a staircase, and it starts walking down step by step like it follows a personal workout routine. Does it have a hidden operating system? Or a tiny hamster running inside? The real answer is better than any conspiracy theory. A slinky doesn't actually walk. It simply transfers energy. The way it transfers that energy just happens to fool your brain in the most delightful way. When you set a slinky on the edge of a stair and give it a gentle push, the top section tips forward first. Gravity, the Earth's pull of about 8 meters per second squared, meaning it accelerates faster every second like a bicycle rolling downhill, pulls the leading end downward. But instead of the entire steel mass dropping like a stone, that force spreads along each coil. This is where longitudinal waves appear. It sounds technical, but imagine pushing a line of people standing shoulder to shoulder. The first person leans forward. The second gets nudged. Then the third. Energy moves from one to the next. No one is running. They are simply passing the force along. The slinky is that line of people made of steel. An even stranger moment happens when you hold a slinky vertically and let it go. The bottom part stays still for a split second. Sounds impossible, right? Gravity is pulling on the entire system. But the force needs time to travel from the top to the bottom as a wave. For a few milliseconds faster than a blink, the lower end hovers in midair as if it hasn't yet received the message. Time to fall. No magic, just physics.
Watch
now
closely.
back to the staircase.
The bottom of the slinky will
Why
remain
doesn't it
suspended
collapse all
until
at
the
once?
very last moment,
Because every step
demonstrating
creates
the
a new
speed
cycle of
compression
energy
wave.
transfer. The top falls, hits the next step, compresses, and then releases energy to the next section. It's like paying gravity in installments instead of one full payment. Here's the twist.
Finite speed of light,
Stretch out a
this
standard
signal
slinky,
takes time
and
to
it can reach
traverse the
roughly
vast
20 to
distance
24
between the
meters long,
planets.
about the length of a city bus. Yet when compressed, it sits comfortably in your hand like a metal donut. That means it stores a surprising amount of elastic energy in each coil. Every loop acts like a tiny mechanical battery, holding force instead of electricity. You can probably see why kids can play with it for hours. The human brain loves rhythm and predictability. A slinky moving down the stairs creates a steady, hypnotic sequence of motion. It feels intentional, even though it's simply following the spring equation. Restoring force is proportional to deformation. Sounds dry? Think of it this way: pull it harder, and it wants to return to its original shape more strongly. But why does it tangle so easily? That's reality stepping into the world of physics. When energy isn't distributed evenly, maybe you throw it too hard or twist it off axis. The coils overlap. The spring isn't angry at you. It just reacts honestly to the forces you create. Mechanics has no emotions, only consequences. There's another reason Slinky became a star in physics labs. It's perfect for demonstrating wave behavior. Pull one end sideways, and you'll see transverse waves ripple along its body. Compress and release it, and longitudinal waves appear. A toy that costs just a few dollars can illustrate ideas that might take an entire university lecture to explain on a chalkboard. Notice something? Physics isn't boring. We just usually meet it inside textbooks instead of on the stairs in a living room. And if you think that's the end, imagine changing the stiffness of the steel, the number of coils, or the spacing between them. Adjust a single parameter and the Slinky's entire personality changes. It might fall faster, slower, or lose that smooth walking motion altogether. A small structural tweak and the whole performance disappears. So next time you watch a Slinky bounce down the stairs, don't assume it's alive. It's simply telling you a story about energy, force, and time in a language even children understand. If a coil of steel can turn mechanical waves into entertainment, imagine how many principles around you are waiting to be seen in a more playful way. Maybe the problem isn't that physics is difficult. Maybe we just haven't found its bouncy version yet. And if you're curious, Next time, we could dive into why the slinky was once used by the military as a field antenna. That story might sound even wilder than the idea of a spring that knows how to walk.